What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects. Most likely they're DGM projects, but that's the one I'm keeping my eye on. Before I'm going to show you the projects, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first project is Snoozing Squad, and at the time of recording this video, they have a Discord and they have almost 14,000 followers on Twitter. And if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting decent engagement on their Twitter posts, and this is probably due to premium link, but still it's getting quite a bit of interaction. And if we scroll down more, as you can see, this one as well, it's not a whole lot as the first one, but still it's getting decent engagement. So it's a free mint. I would keep an eye on and try to get a whitelist spot. So then the second 2 projects, they're going to be very early mint, and I would really keep an eye on it and try to get a whitelist spot. So this one is called Saved Souls, free mint. They already have a website. There is not really much on a website, and then they have 1,400 followers, so it's very early. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting decent engagement on the Twitter post, again probably due to the premium link. And if we scroll down more, again, another premium link 10 hours ago, and it's getting decent engagement. So, and since this project in very early stage, if you've registered to the premium link, most likely you have a better chance to get a whitelist spot versus if you're just gonna wait and sit on it until they're gonna get more followers and more engagement on their Twitter post. And then the last project, it's called Dummy Friends, free mint. So they have a website, and at the time of recording this video, they have 2,800 followers. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, they're also getting decent engagement on their Twitter post. And as you can see, like for example, this is for free mint, so you can actually like, retweet, and then comment your Ether wallet, and you'll have a chance to get a whitelist spot. And if we scroll down more, as you can see, other ones are getting also decent engagement. So this is another one, very early project. Pretty cool art. I really liked the way they created like this candy manufacturing, like this whole process and assembly line. As you can see, little Ethereum sign on here. And then if we go back, if we go to their website, as you can see, website looks pretty cool as well. Very colorful, reminds me kind of like cartoonish vibe. There's not a whole lot on this website. It says don't click on it. If you click on it, it says you did it anyways, don't. And then again, you look like a dummy. And then again, okay, it's confirmed your dummy friends material. And then if you press again, join other dummies, you belong here. And then you press again, and it's just gonna take you back to their Twitter account. So all the projects that I show you, they're at the very early stage, and I think they have somewhat of a potential, especially this one right here. It's just the way this art looks like. I don't really know anything about those projects in general. I just found them. They're free mint. Right now, not a whole lot of stuff is actually doing well in this market conditions, but that's the one I'm gonna keep my eye on, try to get a whitelist spot, and hopefully one of them is gonna perform well. And this is pretty much it. All the projects that I talk about in this video, I'm gonna leave links in the description below. Thanks for watching.